Philadelphia, known as the City of Brotherly Love, is a historic and vibrant metropolis in Pennsylvania. It played a crucial role in American history, being the birthplace of the United States and the location of the Liberty Bell. Philadelphia boasts iconic landmarks like Independence Hall, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and the Philadelphia Museum of Art, famous for their rocky steps. The city is celebrated for its diverse culinary scene, with cheesesteaks being a local specialty. Its rich cultural heritage, major sports teams, and educational institutions make it a dynamic urban center on the East Coast. Before we dive into the video, please consider subscribing to our channel. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on our latest content and support us in creating more valuable videos for you. Just hit that subscribe button below. It only takes a second. Now let's get started with the video. Number 1. The Philadelphia Liberty Bell Pavilion is a symbol of American freedom and history, housing the iconic Liberty Bell, a national treasure. This inscription conveys the bell's association with liberty and justice. The pavilion, constructed in 1976, provides visitors with an up-close view of the Liberty Bell, which has a significant role in American history. It is a symbol of the American Revolution and the nation's enduring commitment to freedom. The pavilion offers an educational experience, exploring the history surrounding the bell and its role in shaping the nation's values. It is a must-visit site for those interested in American history and the principles that the United States was founded upon. 2. The Philadelphia Museum of Art is a prominent cultural institution in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Housed in a grand neoclassical building at the end of Benjamin Franklin Parkway, the museum is renowned for its extensive and diverse art collection, spanning over 2,000 years of history. Notably, it's home to the Rocky Steps, made famous by the film Rocky. The museum features an array of artworks, including European and American masterpieces, Asian art, and impressive special exhibitions. Its commitment to art education and community engagement makes it a significant cultural hub in the city, drawing art enthusiasts and visitors from around the world to explore its rich and varied collection. 3. Reading Terminal Market, situated in the heart of Philadelphia, is a bustling and historic public market. Dating back to 1893, it's one of America's oldest continuously operating markets. The market offers a vibrant and diverse culinary experience, with over 80 merchants selling an array of foods, from Amish pretzels and Pennsylvania Dutch sausage to Philly cheesesteaks and fresh produce. It's a food lover's paradise, with a mix of local flavors and international cuisines. The market's vibrant atmosphere, historic architecture, and the vast array of delicious offerings make it a must-visit destination for both locals and tourists, providing a true taste of Philadelphia's culture and cuisine. 4. Eastern State Penitentiary, located in Philadelphia, is a historic former prison with a rich and haunting history. Established in 1829, it was the world's first true penitentiary, known for its solitary confinement system. The prison's imposing Gothic architecture and imposing cell blocks are captivating. Notorious inmates like Al Capone once resided here. Today, it operates as a museum and historic site, offering guided tours. Visitors can explore the eerie, deteriorating cell blocks and learn about the prison's significant role in the history of the American penal system. Eastern State Penitentiary is a window into a darker chapter of American history and an intriguing place for those interested in crime and punishment. 5. Love Park, officially named John F. Kennedy Plaza, is a famous public park in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Known for its iconic LOV sculpture by Robert Indiana, it has become a symbol of the city. The park features a central plaza with a large, recognizable LOV statue where visitors can pose for photos. The park is surrounded by picturesque cityscape views and beautifully landscaped gardens. It serves as a popular gathering place for both tourists and locals, and hosts various events and festivals throughout the year. Love Park is a vibrant and welcoming urban oasis, contributing to the cultural and artistic fabric of Philadelphia. 6. Philadelphia City Hall is an architectural masterpiece and a historic government building located in the heart of Philadelphia. Designed by architect John MacArthur Jr., it's an extraordinary example of the Second Empire style. Topped by a colossal statue of William Penn, it held the title of the world's tallest habitable building upon completion in 1901. The interior is adorned with ornate details, including the beautiful mosaics and sculptures. City Hall remains the seat of Philadelphia's government and is a hub of civic activity. It stands as an enduring symbol of the city's rich history and continues to be a popular landmark and tourist attraction. 7. Citizens Bank Park is a modern and fan-friendly baseball stadium located in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. It's the home stadium for the Philadelphia Phillies, the city's Major League Baseball team. Built in 2004, the park offers a range of amenities, including numerous dining options, interactive fan experiences, and a vibrant atmosphere. The stadium is known for its unique Ashburn Alley, featuring a replica of the Liberty Bell, and is also home to the beloved Philly Fanatic mascot. Citizens Bank Park offers a great backdrop for baseball, combining modern design with the passion of Phillies fans, making it a must-visit for baseball enthusiasts and families. 8. Boathouse Row is a picturesque historic site in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, along the Schuylkill River. It consists of a line of 15 charming boathouses, each uniquely designed and serving as homes to rowing clubs and organizations. These boathouses are beautifully illuminated at night, creating a stunning visual display that's often referred to as Philadelphia's candelabra. Boathouse Row is not only an architectural gem, but also a hub for rowing and water sports, with clubs dating back to the 19th century. The location is both a symbol of the city's strong rowing tradition and a serene escape from the bustling urban environment, making it a beloved part of Philadelphia's cultural and recreational landscape. 9. Independence Hall, situated in Philadelphia's Independence National Historical Park, is an iconic and historic building with immense significance in American history. Completed in 1753, it was the site where both the Declaration of Independence, 1776, and the United States Constitution, 1787, were debated and adopted. The hall's Georgian-style architecture is distinctive, featuring a steeple that once housed the Liberty Bell. It has been designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Today, visitors can take guided tours to explore the historic rooms and learn about the pivotal events that transpired within its walls, making Independence Hall a symbol of American freedom and democracy. 10. The Philadelphia Zoo, established in 1859, is one of the oldest zoos in the United States and a renowned attraction in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Located in Fairmount Park, it houses over 1,300 animals from around the world, representing diverse species. The zoo focuses on conservation, education, and research, offering visitors the opportunity to connect with wildlife and learn about various species. Notable exhibits include Big Cat Falls, McNeil Avian Center, and the PCO Primate Reserve. The zoo provides a family-friendly environment with interactive exhibits, animal encounters, and a commitment to wildlife preservation, making it a popular destination for both locals and tourists.